Hello everyone, I hope that all of you are doing well. It's time to pick up a winner for the giveaway for 100 subscribers. One of you is gonna win an awesome 3D printed bowl by Spot Prints. You'll have opportunity to get in touch with Peter, discuss all the options that you want to customize for your own bowl, so you can personalize it and get in your hands a very cool ladder machine. I have all the names over here that are part of the giveaway. Let's spin and see who wins this. And here we are. That's going to Fire Cured 1701. Congratulations, Fire Cured. I'm gonna get in touch with you in the comment sections with instructions, so we'll get you connected to Peter, and you're gonna have your bowl going. One important thing is make sure to confirm that you're located in Canada or in the US, so you can actually receive your bowl. For everybody else, thanks for participating. Make sure to check Spot Prints bowl in their website. I'll leave link to I think that it's an Etsy shop, so you can check all the options and maybe you can order one of Peter's cool balls. Thanks for participating and I'll see you in another video. Take care.